It's around 9:40 Phnom Penh time. So I just got the new tripod to replace from my old one. My own pretty light, less than a pound, because it's made of fiberglass, pretty light. This has been with me almost 10 years. So now what happened, one of these largest right here broken, so it won't hold when I have the tripod. See that? It kind of slipped, so it's not really work anymore. So I love it, pretty light. Yeah, I can carry in my backpack so easily. But now it doesn't work, so I can use it for the backup or something. So I got this one. No, Manforo. This is Manbily, made in China. So it's pretty decent. I mean, I got a good price. I looked online. It costs about 140, between 140 and 170. But I got this one for 110. It's pretty nice. It has the carry bag. The old one doesn't have the carry bag. This one has a carry bag, so I can always put in the back of my car, my bike. Very nice with the carry bag. And this one is a little bit heavier, but it's stronger. It carry more weight. It's the model Manbily model MPT 284. I just love it. It's so solid. It's pretty steady, pretty well built. So the good thing about this bike, this thing is that it's giving me an option. If I want to shoot from the top down, I always can flip it up like this, and see, I can bend it. Let's see. There you go. See that? That's pretty cool. I can bend it, and then put the camera here and shoot from the top now. This is very neat. It's giving me an extra option to shoot. So normally I always shoot, just a standard tripod, but this one is something that, extra option for me to use. Very nice solid build. Very nice, very steady. It carry up to like 5 pounds. I feel very comfortable with this tripod. Very nice. Someday, somehow it's a bandit. I don't know. Anyway, so nice. So the tripod holders is always very well built, very strong. This is I prepared for my trip on next Monday, the 15th. No, 15th, yeah. I mean Sunday the 15th. Put it back. Okay, I guess I don't need this. Let's put the box. Okay, that's very nice. So that's that. Okay. So what I'll get here? To get this jacket for motorbike. So I mean, I should have brought one in the States, but I didn't think of it, So I got this one, not too expensive, very reasonable price. So it protects me, on my trip, because in Cambodia the heat's very intense. That could burn my skin if I have a long exposure under the sun. So this is pretty good, and I'm pretty happy. They're very inexpensive, so. And also I got my new gloves. It's very nice. So under these heats, you don't want to exposure your skin under the sun so long because it burn, irritate my skin. Even in the dark we get here, I get darker, which is good. A lot of vitamin D, I guess, yeah. Which is I lack of when I was in the States. Nice gloves. And the salesman gave me an extra bonus. He gave me free for this mask, which is cool for the trip. Yeah, with the helmet on, because I mean, a lot of dirt. So having the mask is a big plus. I couldn't use the other one, but this one is for riding. It's so cool. Alright, and finally, I prepared my trip. Get this one locally. Was a pretty reasonable price, and you purchase everything here, include tax, because tax included into the price. So you don't expect like $200 you pay extra by 10% or something tax. No, the tax included, which is nice. But the other thing is that in Cambodia there's no price tag on the item. So you walked in, depends on where you're from, like me, something like Phnom Penh. I don't live here, you can tell. They give me different price. Some other items, I say this price is like $10, it would say $20 or $25. So no matter what I bargain, I still lose. It's nice. This one is SG906 Pro2. The reason that before I got this one, this is affordable, and it had 3 axes for the camera, which means whatever the drone moves, it's always stay balanced. It's unlike a Sony A7 III, it has 5 axes, but this has only 3 axes, which is good enough for this price. And it's very nice. It comes with the box on the back. Very nice. Oh, you see? It's a carry bag with a shoulder strap, everything. Nice. And it has a little pocket here. I can store my SD cards. Let's see. Wow, nice. It's nicely packed. Oh, this is the controller. Wow. I don't know how to, oh, there you go. So basically I just, hooked up my iPhone here. Nice. And it runs by 2 batteries. So, I think AAA battery. This is a drone. Nice. I like about this drone because it's foldable. So in that case, it could be more compact and easy for travel. It's very nice. So this is the I think the power. I hope it's charged. Oh, fully charged. Here they go. That is so awesome. I can test it here because I'm on a 24th floor. So when I have a chance to go to an open space somewhere and test it, so you guys can watch it. Ooh, let's see. I don't know how to break it. I haven't used it. Okay, that's it. So the person who sold this drone, he showed me one of the units of how it works. So I kind of watch his demo, and it's pretty intuitive. It's not too difficult. Oh, this box is what's in there? Oh, it's USB charge, a USB cable. Oh, it's nice. Oh, it gives me. Oh, this too is. I think the control switch to put on the top of the controller. And this here is just kind of neat, to replace the battery. It's nice because without this, it's gonna be, we have to buy an extra one. That's very nice. I'm pretty happy. So this one is it shoots on I think higher HD. I think 2.7 2.7 pixel, 2.7 by 1080 or something like that. Not really fully 4K, but for the photos, if you shoot photos 4K, but for the video is 2.7. Oh, that's not too bad. I mean, that's all I need. You don't need to have 4K. Too expensive. Just like starters, you know, I need to have something. You know, I want to shoot the landscape, stuff like that. I want to be able to capture from the above, which is nice. Can't complain, you know. So yeah, and for the vehicles, I changed for another one. The other one I got earlier, like Honda CBR 250cc. It's pretty powerful, but I don't think that's it's so heavy, and it's you know stick shift. You know, I have to constantly gear, you know, especially in the urban or in city. The traffic is so congested, so I keep constantly shift up back and forth. Another kind of it's built kind of sporty, so I can lean forward. So for a long rides, like you know, an hour or two of riding, it would you know, kind of you know my arms kind of numb, and I don't know. I want to cue my back, you know. I'm an old man, so I think this one is Honda PCX 150cc, which is enough power for me to maneuver and to, you know, take over other cars and other motorcycles. And it's kind of urban, but also slash, you know, rural, because this bike built for both you can use in urban, you also can ride the countryside. So and lighter, and I've become to I feel like a touring kind of motorcycle, because I don't have to lean forward like this. I just sit, relax and sit like this, and my helmet, my protective gear. So I plan to live to Siem Reap from the southern coast, from and around. So on Monday, on Sunday, which is the 15th. But the thing is that recently the Prime Minister has been warning about the COVID-19, because after the visit of the Prime Minister of Hungary to Cambodia, and then when he left, he got positive COVID-19, and then the rest of the diplomat group that met him, like in the quarantine right now. And he also, you know, I mean, strict, a little bit, you know, caution about travel from one city or one province to the other. So I'm kind of, you know, watch out for that. But the plan is that I'm leaving on the 14th, so that's gonna be 7 days trip, and I have a few job interviews. Most of them they say they can afford to pay me. I mean, like, is it on a job advertisement, they have the rank, they say between, you know, 1,000 and 2,000 a month, for instance. So I'm comfortable with that, because living here, that's kind of salary, I would be comfortable. But yeah, still pending. So one of the guys just told me straight and say, I can afford to pay you because of your experience. So I'm doing the editing and shooting. So basically, it's like, you know, I mean, from A to Z, so I have to do all the, you know, advertisements, stuff like that. So we'll see what happens. If the guy will be interested in hiring me. So in the meanwhile, that's the plan. 1 week from here to from here to Siem Reap and to Preah Vihear, and come back. Just go around the country for 7 days. All right, guys. So stay tuned. I will see you shortly on the next video. Thanks for watching. Ciao.